Hello everyone. Here we'll see the monostable multivibrator. The first diagram is a pin diagram of IC555 and the second diagram is nothing but the circuit connection of a monostable multivibrator. See here, whatever the internal circuit diagram of 555 is, that is redrawn once again here in the figure C to understand the better working of a monostable multivibrator. So external parameters like RA and C are the two only external parameters which are connected here. This is RA and this will be the C. So internal circuit of 555 consists of two comparator, one flip-flop, one transistor, like this. So initially DC circuit is called as a monostable. Monostable in the sense the output consists of only single stable in the sense, so that will be low, and unstable, so high output is called as a quasi-stable. So always the monostable is in stable state in the sense that will be zero level, and the unstable in the sense that is a quasi-stable, so that is the high, that is a 1, we can say as a positive 5 volt or a positive 1 volt. Now so initially at the working, the monostable will be at the stable state in the sense it will be ground state. Now for the second comparator we are applying the negative going trigger pulse. Remember here output will be 1/3 of VCC and here voltage will be 2/3 of VCC, which is taken with respect to the plus VCC. Now at the negative going of the pulse trigger, it is applied the non-inverting pin of a second comparator. Whenever input is applied for this trigger, so input falls below the 1/3 of VCC. Here input will be 1/3 of VCC, here input becomes less than 1/3 of VCC, output becomes high, so that is given to the SR flip-flop. So it will be reset in the sense Q is equal to 0 and Q bar is equal to 1, so which makes the output becomes 1 in the sense it goes is high state. At the same Q1, I told Q is equal to 0, the same is connected to the transistor become off. Transistor become off in the sense this capacitor will be charged through RA with respect to VCC, and this C will be, capacitor will be charges of 2/3 of VCC, and which is greater than 2/3 of VCC, which is connected to the first comparator. So which is greater than 2/3 of VCC, that time this comparator becomes on, so it will be set in the sense Q becomes on, Q is equal to 0 means output becomes, we are getting as an 0th state. So again it goes to the transistor becomes on, in the sense capacitor will be discharges. So like we are getting stable, unstable, stable, unstable. So we are almost in the sense monostable in the stable state itself, so the circuit is called as a monostable. And the whatever the unstable state is a TP, so that is a period of this pulse which is determined by external parameters like RA and C.